విద్యా వ్యవస్థను కేంద్రం ఆర్ఎస్ఎస్ మయం చేసిందని కాంగ్రెస్ అగ్రనేత రాహుల్ గాంధీ విమర్శించారు. యాంటీ పేపర్ లీక్ సవరణ బిల్లుపై లోక్సభలో చర్చ సందర్భంగా కేంద్రం తీరుపై రాహుల్ తీవ్ర విమర్శలు చేశారు. దేశంలోని యూనివర్సిటీలన్నింటికీ ఆర్ఎస్ఎస్ వ్యక్తులే వీసీలుగా ఉన్నారన్నారు. ధర్మేంద్ర ప్రధాన్ ఆర్ఎస్ఎస్ ప్రతినిధి అని రాహుల్ ఆరోపించారు. లోక్సభకు హోంమంత్రి అమిత్ షా ఎందుకు రాలేదని రాహుల్ ప్రశ్నించారు. అమిత్ షాకు ఇక్కడ కూర్చునే ధైర్యం లేదన్నారు. విద్యార్థులపై పెల్లెట్ గన్స్ ఎందుకు ప్రయోగించారని ప్రశ్నించారు.
इसका लक्ष्य क्या होता है? तो उसने मुझे बोला स्टूडेंट का लक्ष्य होता है कि वो सच्चाई के पीछे दौड़ता रहता है. उसके लिए सच्चाई मीठी होती है. ट्रूथ इज स्वीट. लाइक गांधी जी सेड, द विंडोज ऑफ हिज हाउस आर ओपन टू ऑल winds. Then I said, what about the idiot? And she said, what is going on? Okay, sir. So she said, so I said, what about? I said, so sir, I said, okay, what about this other type of person who is not a student? So she said, the hallmark, she said, the student, she says the student wears the truth on his or her chest proudly. It's written here. And I said, what about the other type? Education system is very expensive. More money is spent on one exam, on one exam, then is spent by the government on our education budget. Sir, 8-10 घंटे स्टूडेंट्स पढ़ते हैं, सालों के लिए पढ़ते हैं. It's a system that has been captured, the soul of the system has been captured by the RSS. The soul, sir. Rajnath Singh ji said, sir, please. Sir, Rajnath Singh ji said that we are not the UPA. Our ministers never resign. He's right. What has happened here? The resignation of Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan. That's a superficial thing. Because Dharmendra Pradhan never ran the education ministry. Never. The man and the organization that runs the education ministry is called the RSS. And the man who runs it is an OSD sitting in the minister's office. So, what the students are really irritated about, and I'm very happy today to see that the so-called Home Minister of this country does not have the courage to come and sit here. He does not have the courage to come and sit here. Sir, please.
आज प्रश्न
I saw the Home Minister.
मंत्री बैठे हैं, जिनका विधेयक वो बैठे हैं.
I saw the Home Minister, sir. Carcade. Sir, I saw the carcade. 30 cars. With the Home Minister sitting inside the car. Like that. Looking. shaking. Why is the Home Minister not here today? The Home Minister is not here today because he's not here today because he is scared. Sir, the Home Minister authorized the shooting of our students, sir. He put pellets into the blood of our students. He ordered the students of India to be shot.
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
Sir,